Day 20 today. Let's see what's behind this door. I'm not certain. I got to stamp this one. Let me pull in my paper and see what I have. I was thinking a ghost, but who knows? It might not be a ghost at all. Oh, is it a puppy? No, it is a ghost with a flower. Wow. Okay, let me see what I can find for today's idea. Okay, I had to go back into my Halloween paper and all to find stuff. Since the little ghost had a flower, so to speak, in his hand, I decided I wanted to use some flower paper. So I found, and this is actually Halloween paper, I found these that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this circle. I have a scrap to stamp on and my card base. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold and burnish my card base. Okay, like so. All right, I'm going to put these on first. So this goes on, and then this goes on, and I got it caught on my finger. This one's stuck to my finger. All right, this one goes here, like so. And then this one goes on next to it. All right, so there's that. Now, I don't want to put this down, stick it down, until I see how much. All right, I think I can get this down next. And I'm going to take and I'm going to center it, but I'm going to go close to the edge. Then I can put these down. And this one goes down after this one. So I'm going to take, all right, make sure my flower is going the right way. Like so. And then this one is here. Butt it up against it. And I do have some trimming to do. So I can grab my scissors and do some trimming. Okay, that's better. Little tiny slivers. All right, so there's my card base, basically. Now, I have this sentiment, and it says, ghostly greetings. And I thought that would be perfect. It is from Too Cute to Spook, which is by My Creative Time. So I'm going to put that here and stamp it down. Now I'm going to, I re-inked my ink pad, so I'm trying to be very careful with it. I'm going to cut him out. So let me get my scissors to do some fussy cutting. I couldn't tell what he was with that flower in his hand. It was just the strangest thing. It looked like a dog's face. Just goes to show, sometimes you have to cut it out to see. All right, now this has got to be trimmed up a little. And then come down here a little. All right, I got him trimmed. Got all these little pieces everywhere. All right, I'm gonna put him here, but I wanna color that flower. All right, I'm trying to do the best I can in matching. All right, so there's that, and then here are the leaves. Oh, he's got a smile. That's why. It's just the way it's done. There. Okay. He's going to go on with a dimensional. Oops, I don't need two. I just need one in the middle. And then I need some gems. I'm going to put him here. And I'm going to take some gold gems and grab my pokey tool. And I'm just going to do 3 right around the edge, like so. So it just kind of goes in an arc. This one needs to be moved up a little. Can I get it off? No, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to mess it up. And there's the next idea.